sugar. Let's talk about that good old CBD. Let's talk about you and me. No? Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm gonna answer some more CBD questions because I still get a lot and that's super exciting. So let's just jump right into this video so I don't bore you with a lot of talking. If you didn't know, now you know, but I have my very own CBD line. It's the Cheyann Signature Series. I have two flavors of tinctures, which are these, which is oiled. It's gonna be mango and spearmint. And then I also have tropical flavored gummies, which are so yummy. Oh, excuse you, phone. Okay, first question is, can kids take your CBD products? The answer legally is no. You need to be 18 years or older to purchase my CBD products. However, as your friend, as your homie, I will say that since there is no THC in my line, I do know friends who have had their kids try it and they've had no issues since there is no THC in it. But I highly suggest talking to your child's pediatrician, talking to their doctor, and you being a parent just making that judgment call. Yeah. Next question is, can I order from Europe? The answer is yes. My line is available in all 50 states and is available worldwide. It could take up to 14 to 20 days to ship internationally because of customs, but we can totally ship to all states and all countries. Have you thought about selling a high milligram dose? I have thought about it, but I'm not sure if I'm going to, because when you start to get into the higher doses of milligrams like the 1500s or the 1200s, that's when they become really expensive. I've seen products out there that have really high milligrams and they're like $89 a bottle. And my whole point with my line is I wanted to make it affordable for everybody so everybody could try it, especially people who have never tried CBD before. So I'm not sure if in the future if I will do a higher dosage, just because, like I said, I want this to be affordable so everybody can get it and try it and experience the benefits of CBD. So I don't know why I keep doing and making these faces, but that's just me. That's who I am. That's who I am. On a regular day, how many times do you use the tincture throughout the day? So on a regular day, I will probably use the tincture 2 times a day, and that will be in the morning and at night, and I'll take about 50 milliliters, so not 50, geez. I will usually take about 0.50 or 0.50 milliliters in the morning and 0.50 or 0.50 milliliters at night. So all in all, I'll usually take 1 full tincture throughout the entire day, but on days where I'm just really anxious, I'm in a lot of pain, I can't sleep, or on days where I have doctor's appointments and checkups, I will usually take 1 full tincture in the morning and 1 full tincture at night, so 2 tinctures. But on a typical day, on a normal day when I'm feeling good, I take 1 full tincture throughout the day. See, I just did it again. I did not mean to. I'm trying here, y'all. I'm trying. This is a question I get a lot, and it's a very, very valid question. I know it's THC free, but is there any chance it could show up on a drug test? So my line is completely THC free. There is no THC in this bottle, in the spearmint bottle, or in the gummies. Absolutely none. We use 99% pure THC or higher, and it's all organic ingredients, all natural flavoring, no artificial flavorings or fillers, none of that crap. However, there still is no guarantee that you will pass a drug test. The CBD should not appear on the drug test since there is no THC in it, but we don't like to make that guarantee because we can't, because of other outside factors other than the CBD. So it could be, something you ate like poppy seeds. Those usually show up on a drug test, or other factors in the drug test. But my line should not appear, but we don't always guarantee it. So it's kind of up to you. We do have every single product, like every single individual product will have a barcode like this right there. What you'll be able to do with this barcode is go online and you'll be able to see from like the barcode and the little number right here, the lab results from the third-party testing for the individual product. So for this product, I can look up the lab results, and for the gummies, I can look up the lab results just so you guys know exactly what's in your products and all that stuff. So it's not a guarantee that you'll pass it, but there is no THC in our products, so you should be okay. Another question that I get asked a lot is if you can take it with other medications. So this question is, can I take it with heart medication and my other medication? So the answer is yes, but always talk to your doctor. I took CBD and THC when I was going through chemo, when I was on literally like 10 different pills. I don't even know what the hell they were for. Well, I do know what they were for, but anyways, so yeah, you can, but I would always, always, always ask your doctor and run it by your doctor. Do you plan on making other CBD products in the future? I don't know. We'll see. Have you had testimonials from anyone saying it's helped with migraines? We have had a ton of testimonials, and I personally I struggle with really bad migraines. I believe that's just kind of a side effect of the cancer and the chemo. And holy smokes, my migraines, it's like right behind my right eye, and it's throbbing, and I feel like my head is about to explode and my eyeball's about to pop out. So it does help with migraines. For me, it helps within like 10 minutes. There's some people that said it takes 30 minutes. Some people say it's instantly. I'm just gonna leave a link down below to Discover, which will bring you to all the reviews. There's about 10 pages of reviews on the tinctures, so you guys can read those over and all that stuff. But yeah, it really does help with migraines. It helps with headaches. It helps with depression, PTSD, anxiety, cancer, epilepsy, Alzheimer's, Tourette's, Parkinson's. There is so many benefits to CBD. So many. Another question that I've been asked a lot, and I know I've already said that like 2 times, but I'm serious, these questions I do get asked a lot. Is it safe to take when you're pregnant? So since there is no THC in my product, it should be safe. However, always talk to your doctor before you take anything, especially if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, if you're taking other medications, if you have an illness. Always talk to your doctor to make sure it's fine. In my line, like I said though, there is no THC. I have had a couple friends. My one friend actually just had a baby, and she was taking my CBD and said it has helped so much, and she was taking that, I believe, up until she was almost due. And she hasn't had any issues. Her doctor was completely fine with it. But like I said, I can't stress it enough. Always talk to your doctor. It should be okay, but I'm not a doctor, so yeah, just ask your doctor. What product would you recommend for a newbie? I always recommend the tinctures for somebody who is new into the CBD world and has never tried CBD. And you can control the doses. So I always tell everybody who is new to start out with the droppers. With the droppers, you're just gonna be able to control your dosage a lot easier. Instead of having 1 full milliliter, if you don't want to, you can say, okay, I want 0.75 milliliters, or I want half, which is gonna be 0.50 or 0.5. So it's easier to control. And what I do for the tinctures is, so this is, I don't know if you can see that, but I have about half a tincture right here, so 0.50 milliliters. And what I'll do is I'll stick it under my tongue for 20 to 30 seconds, and that way you allow the CBD oil to absorb, and then you swallow the rest of it. And that's why I did the flavors, the mango and the spearmint, which are gonna be a more subtle taste, so it's not just like, boom, you're getting punched with some mango in the face and freaking spearmint up the yoo-haw. Yoo-haw? Is it woo-haw? Wazoo? Wazoo. There we go. So yeah, what you do is you just get your desired amount, place it under your tongue, let it sit, do a dance, and then you swallow. And that is how CBD works. All right, guys, this is gonna be the last one. How would you convince a skeptic to try it? The way I would convince a skeptic to even try CBD is first ask them questions like, why are you skeptical? What have you heard? Because there actually is a ton of misinformation out there, not only about CBD, but THC, cannabis, and all that. So I would really just first ask them what they know, what they've heard, and go from there. I said earlier there's about 10 pages of reviews just on the tinctures alone, so I would tell them to go to the website, check out the reviews, and I personally believe that reviews are the best way to change somebody's mind. I personally go on Amazon when I'm looking for something, and the first thing I do is go to the reviews, read what other people think, how it works for people. So that's what I would say, is to just always check the reviews. I would answer their questions and tell them, you know, exactly what they want to know, and yeah, I would keep it nice and simple, but I would definitely show them the reviews because I really feel like reviews speak volume of people's products, of people, and whatever. So yeah, I would show them the reviews, tell them what they need to know, and yeah, CBD. Whoa! That is it for this video, guys. If you want to check out my CBD line, go ahead, click the link down below. If you want to check out those reviews as well, it'll be right down below. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up so you never miss another video with me. And yeah, I have so much planned for 2019. I know I've said that in the last video and I've been slacking a little bit, but you know what? Life kind of kicked me in the ass for a hot minute, but we're back on track. We're good to go. I'm excited because I have a lot to show you, a lot to tell you, a lot to put on the tube. And yeah, I had coffee earlier today and it's currently 7 o'clock. Had coffee at 5. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Love you. Bye.